Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my monthly favorites. So I know I haven't been very regular with my monthly favorites videos, but starting from this month, I promise you there will be a monthly favorites video every month coming your way. And in these kind of monthly favorites video, I will be sharing with you all not just makeup as well as skincare, hair care, but I will also be sharing some home products also which I have bought or I have used, so that is helpful for you guys as well. So yeah, now without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So first let's start with hair care and then we'll move on to the other products. So for the hair care category, I do have a hair oil that I want to talk about, and this hair oil is by the brand called Fur. So Fur is a hair and skincare brand that aims to debunk all of society's and other brands' regressive notions of beauty, and all of their products are curated with a unique blend of ingredients which are highly beneficial and address a variety of concerns and needs. So the product that I'm going to be talking in today's video is this Fur Ginger and Tea Tree Anti-Dandruff Hair Oil, which comes in this kind of a packaging. So quite some time back, I did share my struggle with dandruff issues, and this is one such product that has really helped me in getting rid of my dandruff issues as well. So this hair oil contains no parabens, no LLP and no silicons, and it is also a cruelty-free product.
And it contains amazing ingredients like ginger extract, gunja seed extract, tea tree extract, curry leaf as well as methi seeds extracts. So ginger helps improve the circulation of the scalp while also stimulating each hair follicle, which in turn promotes natural hair growth. Gunja seeds promotes hair growth as well as prevents premature graying. Tea tree oil for hair is also known to offer antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal as well as anti-inflammatory benefits. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and vitamin E along with iron that help strengthen the hair roots and also prevent hair loss. And lastly, methi seeds contains large amounts of lecithin which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles as well.
So all of these amazing ingredients in this hair oil helps to prevent dandruff and scalp infections, and it also helps to strengthen your hair follicles, thereby reducing hair breakage, and it also helps to promote healthy hair regrowth.
So it comes in this kind of a white bottle with a very nice and classy minimal packaging, and it also has a flip top, so it's very convenient to dispense the oil. Also the oil itself is very lightweight and it also has a very beautiful natural scent. So to use this hair oil, pour the desired amount of oil onto your palm and gently massage it onto your scalp and hair, and you can let it sit for a few hours or you can also leave it overnight, and then you can rinse it off well with shampoo the next morning.
So now that it is summertime, even if you are someone who has like dandruff issues or itchy scalp issues, then I would highly recommend you try out this oil, because trust me when I say this hair oil is really amazing. It really helps you to strengthen your hair follicles, so you will see a great reduction in the hair fall also. And also अगर आपको dandruff issues है, अगर आपके scalp बहुत ही itchy feel होती है, now that it is summer time, sweat वगैरह की वजह से अगर आपको थोड़ा सा itchiness होता है, वो भी काफ़ी हद तक आपको रिडक्शन फील होगा. एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स लाइक जिंजर एंड करी लीव्स एंड भृंगराज, you will also notice a good improvement in your hair texture. Now I actually feel my hair feeling a lot more like stronger and healthier than it was before. So yeah, I have given the direct link of this hair oil in the description box below, so I would highly recommend आप प्लीज एक बार जरूर वो लिंक चेक कीजिए and definitely check out this hair oil if you have like dandruff issues or if you're facing like hair fall as well. The next product is this set by Miniso. So this is the 8 pieces traveling bottle set. So abhi when you're traveling and stuff, you cannot really carry your full size of like shampoo bottles and conditioners, because thoda sa heavy bhi ho jata hai, luggage mein space occupy ho jata hai. So if you're just going for like a week or so, aapko full size product leke jane ki zarurat nahi padti. So that is why this kind of a set comes in very handy. So it comes in this kind of a packaging like you can see here. आपके सारे products इसी में लेके आप you can just keep it inside your bag, तो कैरी करने के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है ये. So देखो इसमें इस तरीके का पाउच आ जाता है आपको, and this pouch contains a lot of products. So I'll show you the bottles one by one. So the first one is this kind of a pump packaging. तो इसमें आप आपका शैम्पू अच्छे से स्टोर कर सकते हो, ठीक है. The next one is a spray bottle, like you can see here. तो इसमें आपको see you can spray any sort of like liquid that you want. अगर आपके पास कोई toner है वगैरह है तो अच्छे से इससे spray हो जाता है. Third bottle is this kind of a flip bottle, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं ऐसा आता है. So इसमें you can carry your face wash because face wash इसमें अच्छे से dispense हो जाता है. And lastly you get these kind of three containers or jars, whatever you want to call it. So you can put your day cream, your night cream, as well as your conditioner, जो hair conditioner है, अगर आपको वो रखना है तो वो भी इसमें रख सकते हो. So depending upon your needs, you can use this set in any way that you wish to. So yeah, this kind of like travel friendly set I think बहुत हेल्पफुल हो जाता है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ शॉर्ट ट्रिप, सो दैट आपको सेपरेट पाउचेस बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बस इसी पाउच में यू कैन पुट ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड इट्स ईजियर टू कैरी ऑल्सो एंड स्टोर एज वेल. सो या दिस वॉज माई नेक्स्ट फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट. अब थोड़ा सा घर की बात करते हैं. सो होम एसेंशियल आइटम आई वुड से, तो व्हेन यू बी लाइक वॉशिंग योर क्लोथ्स इन द वॉशिंग मशीन ना, क्या होता है बहुत बार, मेरे तो बहुत बार होता है बिकॉज मैं ऐसे छोटे छोटे बैचेस नहीं रखती हूँ. मैं एक ही साथ वॉश करती हूँ मेरे सारे कपड़े दिन में एक ही बार या मैक्सिमम 2 टाइम्स. सो उसमें क्या होता है ना, सारे कपड़े गेट्स एंटैंगल्ड विथ ईच अदर, तो फिर उसको निकालने में इतनी ज़्यादा हैसल होता है. बिकॉज अभी इवन कियारा के कपड़े बहुत छोटे छोटे होते हैं. देन माई क्लोथ्स, इफ आई एम वॉशिंग सम बेड शीट और समथिंग, सो ऑल द क्लोथ्स गेट entangled in the washing machine. So I was just scrolling through Amazon one day and I found these washing machine balls basically, and I initially thought it's just a gimmicky product, मतलब ये क्या ही कर लेगा. So you get 10 these kind of like washing machine balls उन लोग ने नेम दिया है. So आप इसका शेप देख सकते हो, बहुत ही ज़्यादा विचित्र है, यूनिक है. So आपको इस तरीके के 10 मिलेंगे ये पैकेट में, एंड इसका प्राइस इज ओनली ₹249 गाइज, बट it works really well. So अगर आपके भी कपड़े entangle हो जाते हैं when you're washing them in a washing machine, just put like 3 to 4 of these inside the washing machine while you're washing your clothes, and once एक बार वो धुल के हो जाएगा ना, you will see that जो जितने भी कपड़े हैं ना, they are not entangled at all. मतलब ये जो वो लोग बोल रहे हैं ना, it actually really works. I don't know the funda behind it, but the clothes, मेरे जो कपड़े हैं right now they don't get entangled. So I thought of sharing this with you guys also. ये pack of 10 का price was only for 249 rupees, and I know it's not that major of an issue that washing machine में कपड़े entangle होना, but I just thought that since मुझे थोड़ा सा benefit हो चुका है, I thought of sharing it with you guys as well. So yeah, this was the next favorite. My next favorite product is this purse organizer by the brand called Oxbow. So this is a 6-pocket foldable hanging purse organizer, and इसका price was only 299 rupees. So recently आपने मेरा Amazon का handbags का haul video देखा होगा. So उसमें क्या हुआ ना, मैंने एक साथ इतने सारे bags purchase कर लिए ना, that to store them was becoming very difficult. So I thought of getting this organizer just to see, because मेरे like cupboard के अंदर there is not so much of space to store all of these bags. So what I did was I got this organizer. See, this is what the organizer looks like. So it जो top में है ना, आपको इस तरीके का hanger part आ जाता है. So you can either store this inside your cupboard, या अगर आपके door के पीछे भी अगर आपके पास hooks है तो ये आप वहाँ पे भी store like hang कर सकते हो. And this is very sturdy. हाँ, इसमें मैंने almost like 5-6 bags डाले हैं, but still it ये जो hook है ना, अच्छे से उसका weight like it takes it. So it's a very good quality one. So इसमें आप देख सकते हैं इस तरीके के ना compartments आ जाते हैं. So top में आपको इस तरीके के 2 मिलेंगे, उसके नीचे 2, उसके नीचे 2. So इस तरीके से आपको 6 compartments आ जाएंगे, which means that you will be able to store 6 handbags या sling bags, whatever, in this organizer. So yeah, this was the next organizer, and I would highly recommend, अगर आपके पास भी multiple bags है and you're finding them difficult to store, definitely get your hands on this organizer. And the last product is a chair cover. So if you are a mother of a small kid or a toddler, you would understand how difficult it is to maintain your sofas and your chairs, because कुछ ना कुछ उस पे गिरते पड़ते रहता ही है. So for those mothers, this is going to be very helpful. So this is a chair cover by the brand called Hotkey. So this is a poly cotton cover और this comes in a variety of colors. एक grey में भी आता है and the one that I have is it is in black. So this is a poly cotton cover. It is stretchable. It is stretchable, it is removable as well as it is washable. So दो का सेट जो आता है that is only for ₹299 only. ठीक है, सो इस तरीके का आपको कवर आ जाता है. ठीक है, सो ये चेयर कवर ना आप आपकी जो चेयर के सीट एंड जो बैक पोर्शन है उस पे आप लगा सकते हो एंड बिकॉज दिस इज़ लाइक स्ट्रेचेबल तो कोई भी साइज़ का चेयर का बेस है या बैक है अच्छे से उस पर फिट हो जाता है. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं मैंने ये अपने जो रोटेटिंग चेयर है उस पर ये लगाया है एंड इट एक्चुअली लुक्स वेरी वेरी गुड गाइज. और इसको मैंने ऑलरेडी दो तीन बार आई थिंक वॉश कर लिया है and the fit and the stretchiness has not got affected, so the quality is really nice. So अगर आपके पास भी if you're looking out for a good chair cover then I would highly recommend ये वाला ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिए बिकॉज इसकी क्वालिटी भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया लगी एंड लाइक निकालना डालना बहुत ईजी है, वॉश करना बहुत ईजी है. सो इवन इफ यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर अ गुड चेयर कवर देन दिस वन बाय हॉटकी इज़ रियली गुड. इसका भी लिंक मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. सो या गाइज दोज वर माई 5 फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल एंड ये सभी के डायरेक्ट लिंक्स मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. सो एक बार ही अगर आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए देन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दोज लिंक्स एंड मेक योर परचेज. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.